Hello everyone. Today I am discuss new topic Coulomb's law in vector form and what is electric field. Now we started now Coulomb's law in vector form. We know that Newton's third law of motion, every action just opposite and equal to reaction. Therefore, in the same process when the Coulomb's law in vector form, the charge particle is function at any point. Let us consider two charge particles Q1 and Q2 is work at the point A and B. If the applied forces from A to B and another opposite direction from B to A. Let us consider two charge particles situated at the point A and B. A at Q1, B at Q. The applied forces is the point A and B, the direction from FAB to FBA. Now the positions are from O, R10, R20, the applied force from 1 to 2 and opposite direction from B to A, R2, 1. Therefore, the applied Coulombic forces from FAB, we know that the Coulomb's law 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 from the position from 1 to 2, therefore the total distance R12 square, R12 position vector, equation 1. And another equation from the applied forces from B to A. Therefore, the sign to be changed because every action just opposite and equal to reaction. The sign to be changed now. The applied charge particle Q2, Q1, the position from R21 square, R21 position vector. Therefore, it is also follow to the Newton third law, every action just opposite and equal to reaction. That is known as the Coulomb's law in vector form. Another important topic, electric field. What is electric field? An area there experience the maximum behavior of electric, it is known as electric field. Or another word we say to the total amount of the applied forces is always equal to the per unit small testing charge. It is also known as electric field. The electric field is denoted vector E is equal to F by Q naught. Q naught is the small test positively charged, and we can also identify the dimension MLT minus 2 upon 80, then dimension E is equal to MLT minus 3 and A minus 1. The property of the electric field. Electric field or force line. The property of electric field are force line. The electric field is always started from positive to negative. The electric field intensity is the maximum at the pole, and two electric field line is never intersect to each other, because in one time the two direction is never possible. We can be easily understand from the different examples. So like as let us consider the electric field at the point with the positive charge the positive charge is action at the direction, it will be repel. It will be repel to each other because the electric field is also positive. Second example, let us consider two charge particle plus q and minus q. The direction of the electric field we can easily understand. If the positive charge particle, then it will be moved in the direction of negative. If the negative charge particle, then it will be moved in direction of positive. That is the property of electric field and force line. Now we come at our next topic, electric dipole. What is electric dipole? It means di plus pole. Di means two and poles means pole. If the two oppositely charged particles are at the constant separated distance 2L, that is known as electric dipole. We can be easily understand by this figure. If the two charged particles plus q and minus q are at the constant separated distance 2L, that is known as electric dipole. It is denoted by P is equal to Q into L. The SI unit is equal to Coulomb meter. All electrovalent bond is behave as electric dipole. For example, HCl, NaCl, H2O, 2HI, etc. For electric dipole HCl, now it will be split in two parts, H plus Cl minus. That was the two opposite charge plus Q and minus Q at the constant separated distance 2L. It means that is all the electrovalent bond is follow the property of electrodipole. And another word that will be shared to the polar molecules is also behave as the electric dipole. Okay, goodbye students. We meet to another video another day. Okay, goodbye.